Midnight whispers on an empty street. Your shadow lingers where our echoes meet. The moonlight trembles on your photograph. I trace your smile through shattered glass. Every word we never said still dances softly in my head, like fire hiding under skin, a quiet war I cannot win.
I breathe you in like fading air. Your memory is everywhere.
A spark beneath the calm disguise, a score behind these quiet eyes. My heart burns in silence. No scream, no sirens, just flames in the dark where we used to be. Love turns to violence, soft as defiance. Ashes are falling inside of me. I'm breaking in pieces
One break out is season.
The truth is I'm dying to let you know. My heart burns in silence,
But it won't let go.
yeah. Your name still trembles on my tongue, like unfinished songs we never sung. The rain keeps knocking on my door like it remembers you before. The bed feels colder than before. Your sweater's lying on the floor. I wear it just to feel your heat, even if it's bittersweet.
I'm smiling like I'm doing fine, but grief is louder every time.
Louder than I try to hide, the brighter these flames burn inside. My heart burns in silence. Don't scream, no sirens,
Just smoke rising slow in the midnight air.
love built an empire, now it's a fire.
Leaving its scars everywhere.
I'm holding the peace,
Praying for releases.
but you're the only cure I know.
My heart burns in silence.
And it won't let go.
If I could reach across the space between goodbye and your embrace, I'd walk through fire without fear, just to feel you near.
Every tear I never
With
cried,
gasoline I keep inside,
and every beat that breaks apart.
still whispers your heart.
My heart burns in silence,
Shattered but defiant.
even in darkness it calls your name.
Love left me breathless,
Soft but relentless,
dancing forever inside the flood.
no walls can contain it,
No time can restrain it.
no distance can tear us apart.
My heart learns in silence.
But it's still your heart.
So if you feel a spark tonight,
We're crying warmth in pale moonlight,
that's just my life.
still holding on.
Though you are gone,
My heart burns in silence.
but it still beats for you.